Hey guys, good morning. I'm in the process of doing my makeup, but I just woke up. It is currently 6:04 a.m. First day of school. Kind of not excited for it, but yeah. So today we're just gonna be filming another point of view of school, but this time it's different because it's not with Marine, it'll be with me, Savannah, and Rochi. So we'll see how it goes, and then I'll put it all together, and it should be uploaded by Friday. So yeah, enjoy the video. So the bus is in here. So we're just standing out here, super awkward.
It's fucking hot. It's hot.
It's hot, yes. And so I was supposed to film with my friends today, the stupid first day of school point of view shit. And now I'm not even at school. So and school starts in 5 minutes. So
Today's been monstrous.
it's been disgusting. There's a lot of since we're sophomore, I'm a sophomore, you're a junior. He's a sophomore. But there's a lot of freshmen that I've been having to walk around today, and I actually like it. The people are really nice.
There's a lot of cute freshmen guys. Where's my bean? Aubrey. There we go.
Hey.
You didn't tell her to video this morning for getting ready for school.
Oh, I thought you were doing that. Say hello to my 600 subscribers. Say hello to my 600 pet friends.
Alrighty, I was going to film like the second I opened my eyes, but I only got like 3 hours of sleep, so I completely forgot. I pinned my hair, gotta look a little decent, and I'm wearing, I picked out my outfit. I'm wearing my Adidas, my skinny jeans, and Friends, because I like Friends a lot, and it will attract people with similar interests, so I can make a couple friends maybe today. So what I did is I washed my face. It's dry. Now I have to try to get in this box thing while my phone is in here, because I have to take acne medicine. Alrighty, so my face is moisturized. I just have to brush my teeth, put on makeup. So yeah. So I am like being awkward and like doing that a lot.
Am I under control? Can I beat it? Wake up. If it's swallowing me whole, would I see it?
I can make you feel alive.
I know, but do I need you to survive?
Okay, so I'm on my way to first period. Not at all excited. So I am in gym, and it sucks ass, but it's cool, I guess. I like my first period, but there's some kids that I don't like in there. And then cricket noise. I'm in gym right now, and then I have choir. Okay, so she said I have to film more. So there's not really much going on except for I got choir class, but I'm trying to switch out. We made a new little freshman friend, and we're kind of taking her under our wing, and it's super cute. She's so small. Okay, that's it for now. Okay, alrighty, so I haven't done very much face filming today, but, I gotta have some, so, I just got out of chemistry. It seems like it's gonna be, like, super fucking hard, but I can do it, because I'm that bitch. I'm heading to lunch right now. I'm meeting up with Emily. Okay, hey guys, don't mind my hair. I just got home and took a shower because it's very, very hot outside, and I had to walk from the bus to my house, and it's quite a walk. It's like a mile. Hydrate yourselves, children. So yeah, I know my hair's wet because I went in and I took a shower. So overall today was pretty great. I ran off 3 hours of sleep, and I didn't die, so that's always fun. Sorry that I'm saying so many times. I didn't even think about recording anymore today, but then I realized I didn't really record at all. So pretty much I got there late, and I went to my homeroom, got my schedule, went to my classes and stuff. There's a lot of people in my classes that I don't like because they're all friends with Alec, and I had to see him today, and that was great. We made a new friend.
Hey, it's me editing. Her name is Kinsley. Just so you know.
I really don't remember. She's a little freshman, and we helped her around the school today. And I like all my teachers. I'm thinking about switching out of choir. It's most likely going to happen, but yeah. And then on the bus, there's so many kids on our bus because so many freshmen come to the high school this year. There's so many kids on our bus that we had to fit, like, almost every seat was 3 to a seat, and it was so uncomfortable. And then I come home and had to take a shower because I'm not even gonna lie to you, I stunk. I stanky. I'm breaking out super bad because of all the stress. I stressed out really bad today. The lunch line was so big that I had to show up late to my class and eat my lunch in class. That's how many new kids there are. And I really haven't made any friends today. I'm really hoping I do, though, because I don't have any friends in any of my classes. Emily almost strangled me to death today because she wanted me to walk her to her class, but I had to go to my class and plug up my phone. It was going dead. And she wouldn't let go until I walked her to class, and I had to drag her into my classroom and tell her that she had to let go. I just love her so much.
Hey, editing again. If you think she's joking about me strangling her, no, I literally did.
Alrighty, I think that's it. I don't think there's anything else. Have a great day tomorrow. Hope you had a great one today. Any Seminole kids watching this, you fucking suck. Especially if you showed me in the hallway today. So yeah, just kidding. I love you guys. Have fun, be safe, stay hydrated, it's hot out. Yeah.
Thanks for watching this week's video. I know it's uploaded late because I was really lazy during the editing. I've been editing this for 2 days, so yeah. Have a great week at school next week if you're starting school, or if you're doing school next week again. I hope you have a good week, and I hope everything is good. So, see you next time. Bye.